Hi everybody, welcome back. We're going to do a relaxing clean with me, and we're starting with Glass Plus on the countertops and the tile backsplash. You guys, I can't tell you how much nicer it is to have that tile backsplash. It's so easy to keep clean and it shines up and looks just beautiful all the time. I absolutely love the backsplash. I love the whole kitchen, to be truthful, but I really like having the backsplash, how much easier it is to keep clean.
No one can tell where we should go. Oh, it's coming. We thought we had it, the truth about our common soul. That it was fantasy, nothing to put belief in. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotion, pretending land was our own. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful.
I'm hosting an open collaboration for the Fall 2019 Porch Patio Clean and Decorate with me. I'll put a card to the invitation video above so you can go and check out all those details. But it's an open invitation to collab, so anybody who wants to participate is more than welcome. Check out that video, and it'll also be linked on the end card at the end of this video.
Say we know it's real, something to put belief in. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotions, pretending land was our home. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotions, pretending land was our home. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful.
I'm trying out the Endust for the first time today, so I'll let you know what I think. I think it smells really good, and it did a great job on the refrigerator. The people that lived here before us didn't take great care of this refrigerator, so it's pretty marred up, and there's not a lot that can be done to make it look great, which is one of the reasons why I never show a close-up of it. But the Endust really did do a good job of polishing it up and making it nice and shiny, getting off all of the food marks and the smears and fingerprints, and I like that. It's a different smell for me. It's not the same lemon scent that I'm accustomed to, but it was a pleasant smell, so I'll let you know how I think it works on the wood furniture over this next week.
We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost. Far from rules, how to feel it. We know that fast isn't always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest.
Birds are flying all around. Some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong, inside a simple song, running careless down the line, beyond the brink of time. I will love you till I die, on shaky grounds. You could never understand. The way I am is not what it seems. Tangled up in dreams. I'm tired in oh so many ways. Been gone for 7 days. I don't know why I can't explain. My heart delivers pain, and I got nothing more to say. I'm just bored in every way. I don't know where I wanna go, but I swear to let you know. I will love you till I die, on shaky grounds. You could never understand. The way I am is not what it seems. Tangled up in dreams. I will love you till I die, on shaky grounds. You could never understand. The way I am is not what it seems.
So I finished up in the living room and I came in here and realized I had forgotten to clean the kitchen sink. Can you guys believe it? I don't think that's ever happened before, and you know I wasn't going to let it happen this time, so I'm using the Method dish soap and cleaning up the kitchen sink.
And we're all runners, and we race against time. And we're all runners, we were born to chase the tide. No matter where we are, no matter what we face, we're forever on our way. 'Cause we're runners.
I'm running the water on hot and I'm going to squirt just a little bit of dish soap down the drain, and that washes away any food gunk or anything that might be attached to the pipes and might create an odor. And am I the only one who dries the sink when I'm done cleaning it? I always dry the sink. I don't really know why, I just think it looks better.
I've loved and I have lost. I felt the bite sting. I've died 100 times, but my heart is moving still. That is the journey that we're on. And to that starlit sky, we gaze and question why. And we're all runners, and we race
I love this mop, you guys. I said last time that I had a video up, I said this was the Bissell version of the Swiffer, and that's not true. This is an O-Cedar mop, and I apologize for that mistake. I do love this mop. I love it mostly because I have replacement cloths that I can wash instead of throwing them away and buying new all the time, and I love that I can use my own cleaner in there. So right now I'm just rinsing out the Pine Sol, which is what I've been using, and I'm going to put the Fabuloso in there and use that in the kitchen today.
It was cold. We were never wearing proper clothes. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know. I still think about what we had when we were younger. We were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger, oh, when we were younger. I remember a girl, I would sneak into her parents' house. I could stay for hours, and we looked into each other's eyes. Hey, I thought I was wrong.
I hope you guys enjoyed this relaxing clean with me. I hope you enjoyed the calmer music, and I hope it gave you some motivation to get your cleaning done. Hey, thanks for stopping by, guys. Have a great day.